a Dalton, lot 4, number 2464. Now this Dalton here, I bought it a couple of months ago. It was scrap, just about. The guy that owned it, he really didn't know what he had. He didn't know what a little treasure this thing is. I think it was his grandfather's or something like that. So I saw it in eBay, and he wanted a couple of $100, and he said, he was feeling bad that he was taking me for a ride, which I explained to him that this is what I wanted from the beginning. Now this Dalton did not come this way. I mean, one day I'm gonna show people what this thing came out the way it was before. I put this on the switch, put the back wall, made a little back wall for it. Didn't have the this either. It didn't have the tool poles. A lot of things it didn't have. It didn't have these covers. Didn't have the oilers. It was plain, basically. As you can see now, she works beautiful. It's a beautiful machine. I believe this was made in 1917, 18, 19, right around there. 1919, right around there. I had to build this little pedestal here so I can put the motor on it. It was set up differently, but I found that it would be a lot more simpler and also better looking. So I made this little pedestal for the gears and the motor in the bottom. Had to rebuild the motor, rebuild completely. There's some work here. Not only that, I put a little tray in the bottom. That's where all the metal falls in, and which, as you can see, I painted it inside red. This little toy, I love this thing. She works beautiful. See how smooth she is? She works beautiful. I'm not gonna cut right now because I only have one hand right now. And all the switches are right here in the box. Got this bottom switch here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. Show it. There's a little red switch that turns on the light. See the little LED overhead light. She works beautiful. She has a little switch there, plus to start it going there. She's just a sweet little baby. I love my little Dalton. As you can see right there, There's the name. It was made in New York. He's a New Yorker just like me. We are both from New York. Born and raised in New York. My little Dalton. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and enjoy my Dalton as much as I do. Well, leave your comments, and if you want to subscribe. I have no problem with that. God bless you all.